freaks me out. That would be a nightmare.
Yeah, because if he attacks it,
it's down into the water and all. Okay. That seagull
over there.
just attacked my drone in the midair. Oh my goodness, that would have been bad. Alright, so I put that together over the past 10-ish months. I mean, I haven't put it together, I just started editing it 10 o'clock, 3 hours ago. So I filmed it over the past 10 months, almost an entire year of filming with my drones, my sold DJI Phantom 3 and my Dji Spark. Love both of these drones. The only reason I got the Spark is just because it's so much smaller and compact. If you like this little video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of this stuff. I would sure save up the next 10 months and start putting another edit together. So yeah, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend. See you next time.